The following message is transmitted by the request of Vianney Police Department. Civil danger warning: a demon has red glowing eyes, white sharp teeth. Bring food, water, medical supplies. Stay in your shelter. Keep your windows and doors locked. You need a battery-powered radio of this situation. Green t-shirt, weights 100 pounds, black pants, and blue tennis shoes. This is Amber Alert. The demon killed this children. Call 911 at the child. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted by the request of Orlando Police Department. Demons are trying to kill persons. Stay in your shelter. The states of United States: Colorado, New York, New Mexico, Arizona, Georgia, North Dakota, South Dakota, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, North Carolina, Wyoming, Oregon, Rhode Island, Washington, D.C. Stay in your shelter. Do not peep. If you peep, you face certain death. Bring a battery-powered radio. This is our Florida, Jacksonville. The following message is transmitted by the request of Orlando Police Department. A person called 911. The FBI, police, and SWAT are trying to get the demons. The FBI, police, and SWAT killed 3 demons. Stay in your shelter. If you are in the shelter, get rid at all. If your electricity is over, do not panic. The following message is transmitted by the request of Orlando Police Department. All clear. Happiest King. We are happy that the demons are killed. You can get out of your shelter, but there will destroy the damages of that happen.